Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're talking about the Garmin Quatix 8. This is a watch made for people who love the water, love boats, and need smart features with rugged performance. If you're a serious mariner or just love adventure, this watch might be exactly what you're looking for. From the outside, the Quatix 8 looks premium and tough. The case is made of titanium that makes it strong but light, feels solid on your wrist without being bulky. The design is sporty, but also stylish enough for everyday use. The bezel is sapphire, which means it's scratch-resistant and durable. It can handle rough conditions with ease. The watch has a 1.4-inch AMOLED display. It's bright and easy to read even in direct sunlight. The resolution is sharp, and the colors look great. Whether you're on a boat, hiking, or just checking your messages, the screen is clear and smooth. It also has an always-on mode, which is useful when you're wearing gloves or moving fast. Performance is a key part of what makes the Quatix 8 stand out. It's powered by Garmin's latest chipset. Everything runs fast. Menus are snappy. Sensors respond quickly, and GPS locks in fast. You can move between screens with no lag. Whether you're tracking your location or checking your heart rate, the data updates in real time. The software is also impressive. Garmin includes support for marine charts, Autopilot control, and boat data. If your boat has a compatible system, you can connect the Quatix 8 and see depth, speed, wind, and more right on your wrist. You can even control music or navigate with just the watch. This bet makes it more than just a smartwatch. It's a real marine tool. You also get full multi-sport tracking. That includes running, cycling, hiking, swimming, and more. It supports advanced metrics like VO2 max, heart rate zones, and training readiness. There's also support for sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and respiration rate. If you care about your health, this watch gives you deep insights. Another big win is the battery life. You get up to 16 days in smartwatch mode and up to 30 hours in full GPS mode. That's very good. Even if you're off-grid or on the water for days, you won't have to worry about charging. It also supports solar charging. If you get enough sunlight, you can extend battery life even more. It's perfect for long trips. For charging, it uses Garmin's proprietary cable. It's quick and easy. The watch can charge fully in just over an hour. You also get smart battery modes that let you turn off features to save power. It gives you more control and less stress during long adventures. In terms of connectivity, the Quatix 8 supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT+. You can sync it to your phone, headphones, or marine devices easily. The Garmin Connect app works well and gives you access to all your data in one place. You can also get smart notifications, calendar alerts, and even download music for offline playback. Speaking of music, the Quatix 8 supports storage for up to 2,000 songs. It works with Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer. You can pair Bluetooth headphones and leave your phone behind. That's a great option for runners or boaters who want to keep it light. The navigation system is very strong. Supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. That means better accuracy, even in tough environments. You can use it for route tracking, back-to-start navigation, and waypoints. It also includes topographic maps and marine charts. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or cruising on the ocean, this watch can guide you. It also includes safety features. There's incident detection and emergency alerts. If something goes wrong, the watch can send your location to your emergency contacts. That's a useful tool, especially for people who explore alone. Water resistance is up to 100 meters. So, you can swim, snorkel, or go sailing without worry. It's designed for saltwater, and the build holds up well in all conditions. There's also a built-in tide data feature, which is helpful if you live near the coast or do water sports. One of the coolest features is the ability to control your boat's autopilot. If your system supports it, you can steer the boat, change heading, and adjust settings right from your wrist. It sounds futuristic, but it works really well. It also includes anchor drag alerts, which help you know if your anchor is moving. Let's talk about value. The Garmin Quatix 8 is not cheap. It's a premium smartwatch made for a specific audience. But if you're a boater, diver, or adventurer, the price makes sense. If you're getting marine-grade features, advanced health tracking, and a durable design, all in one package. Now let's look at the pros. The design is rugged and stylish. The AMOLED display is beautiful and easy to read. Performance is fast and smooth. You get marine tools, GPS, health tracking, and long battery life. It supports solar charging, music storage, and smart features. It's built for people who live active lives on land and water. Now for the cons, the price is high. Not everyone needs the marine features. It's a big watch, so it might not be ideal for smaller wrists. There's also no LTE option. You need to stay connected to your phone for full functionality. And the music app support could be a little smoother. So what's the final verdict? The Garmin Quatix 8 is a premium smartwatch made for serious users. If you spend a lot of time on the water, or you want a rugged GPS smartwatch with advanced features, this is one of the best you can buy. It's smart, powerful, and built to last. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got more reviews on the way, so stay tuned for more tech you can trust. See you in the next one.